Hello, first grade scientists, and welcome to your job for today. Our target skill for today is I can observe, record, and make a prediction about weather. Last week with Miss Mikhail, we learned that weather is what it is like outside. We also learned that temperature is what it feels like outside, whether it is hot or cold. So today, boys and girls, our job is going to be to observe, record, and predict weather. The way that we are going to do this is through an experiment for this whole week. Buckle up, first graders, because this week, every day, you are going to look at the weather. You are going to observe the weather just like we do during calendar time. You're going to ask yourself, what do I see outside in the sky? What do I see on the ground? How does it feel outside? Is it hot or is it cold? You are going to record your answers every day, and on Friday, we are going to predict what Saturday's weather will be. So, let's get started with this experiment. The first question we have to answer says, tell what you want to find out. So this week, we want to find out how the weather changes from day to day. When will you observe the weather? You can do it in the morning or at night, but it must be every day. What will you observe? You will use your senses, what you see and what you feel, to observe what you see and what you feel. After you observe each day, then you are going to record. This is how we are going to record. If you flip that paper over, you will see this chart. Weather this week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You are going to use these pictures, these weather squares, to log or record the weather for each day. For example, I observed that the weather outside today near me is cloudy. I feel that the weather outside near me is cold. The weather can be more than one thing each day. Boys and girls, that is it for your science job today. Every day this week, you will record the weather, and on Friday, we will finish this experiment. Alrighty, good luck, scientists. I'll see you next time.